Hi everyone, welcome back. I've got a new kind of setup going on. I'm really excited about it. It took me forever to figure it out because I'm not technologically inclined apparently. Today, hopefully, is going to be a fun day. Christopher and I had changed offices several weeks ago and I have yet to get it to the point where I want it. You know, my first excuse was work, being crazy, hectic, busy. Slow down a little bit, so I can't use that excuse anymore. And the other excuse I was using for myself was I had a piece of artwork that hadn't yet come in, and well, it was shipped and it got here yesterday, so we're gonna get cracking on reorganizing, hanging up stuff, and decluttering my office today. First things first, we're going to hang my accent piece. Pretty much everything in this office is going to kind of revolve around the accent piece. I've got some floating shelves. I'm not sure where I want to hang them yet, and I want to get the picture hung. That way I can kind of get a feel for, you know, distribution on the walls and stuff. So yeah, that's where we're starting. And then I'm going to move to decluttering because I feel like if you have a cluttered office or a cluttered room, you can't really figure out where you want some accent organizational pieces to go. So that would be my floating shelves. So I'm going to declutter, and then I'm finally going to hang my shelves and finish off by putting things on them. And yeah, that's the plan of action. So to hang my really heavy piece of artwork, they actually sent me this kit, and I have no earthly, I have no idea, oh my gosh, I have no idea what this is. Like, I think it hooks on the claw hooks somehow, but I can't figure it out. If you know what this is, I'm gonna feel real dumb, but tell me, because I don't know. And they also gave me claw hooks that are not attached to the frame already, which that's the first time that's ever happened for me. Everything I've gotten has these attached. So I'll just get my drill and put them in the frame. Hopefully no big deal. Hopefully the wood will hold up and won't split when I try to screw into it. And if it does split, then I'm, well, screwed. I've got nails that I'm going to use for the claw hooks. I've got an anchor and some screws for some of my floating shelves, which I'm hoping to hang today. And I've got this felt cork board thing that I got off Amazon, sticky on the back. And I'm planning on having this hang behind me during my video calls. And I want to have like the latest issues of my magazines on there on display for everyone to see. But yeah, so let's get cracking. Okay, so math is not my strong suit, so the only way I can like think about how to hang it up in the exact middle of my wall is to measure from claw hook to claw hook and use that distance. I'll just have to show you. Okay, so what I did right here was I lined up the middle of the wall to the middle of the painting. And since I have the claw hooks, I was able to have a slight deviation on the measurements, so I didn't have to be exact with the placement of the screws, but I had to get within like half an inch or so. So that's why it looks kind of silly, but that's how I did it. So here I used the thumbtack to mark the spot in the wall where I wanted to drill my hole for my screw. Okay, so I've got mostly everything decluttered at this point. I've got a couple little things that I have to fix before I feel like my office is totally done. One of which is obviously my floating wall shelves. So I kind of wanted to explain my plan for those and what they look like. So with that being said, I've got this one. I've got two of these, and these are gonna go on the back wall over here. I also have 4 of these felt things to hang up on this wall right here. So I'm gonna get my computer set up to how it's gonna look when I'm on a video call, and that way I can kind of gauge where I want these to hang. Still not entirely sure. I've got 5, may not hang all 5 up, so we'll see. But ooh, I will say that I am not going to use this entire strip of adhesive because I'm not going to hang like super heavy stuff on it. It doesn't make sense to possibly damage this long of a strip on my wall. So I'm probably just gonna like tear off the ends and adhere those to the wall. But yeah, I like to hang these up with these big, these big things, just because I don't like damaging my walls more than I have to. So anytime I can use a tack or a command strip, heck yeah, doing it. Okie dokie. So one of my co-workers at my old job when I worked in the newspaper business gave me, well, I bought a Balrog pop figure, and I put it on top of our cuticles. I worked on the copy desk, and I put it on top of the cuticles. I put it on top of the cubicles and said that it was the guardian of the copy desk. And one of my co-workers gave me this, and it says beware of the ball hog, and it's like a little toy. Love it. I will take it with me wherever I go from now on. Of course, we've got to represent, got a little Sailor Moon here. She also gets to be put on display. Last but not least, these. So I've got my camera pulled up right here on my computer. I think it's about where it would be, so. I feel like that's not right. Hang on. Let's redo it. Why does that look crooked? Fingers crossed that holds. There it is. Also came with little thumbtacks. Oh yeah, blue and green. Green again. I'm just gonna go blue and green then. Apparently I'm one of those people who overthink everything, and that even extends to magazine placement on a corkboard. The only thing left is to clean this monstrosity of a desk. So, yeah. Let's get her done, son. So I know this wasn't like hair dye level exciting, but thank you so much for watching. This was a great opportunity for me to experiment with camera angles so I can bring like more exciting stuff to this channel. And yeah, so thanks again, and I will see you soon.